Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today we talk more about German grammar, which is also part of the course for beginners, where you learn German with me with a story. And today's topic are the sub-sentence structure. We already talked about the main sentence structure, so let's take a look on the sub-sentence structure. So let's get started. So just for as a quick reminder, let's see the main sentence structure. So here the most important thing is that the conjugated verb stays in second position. So let's see an example. Hier, gibt dem Kind heute den Ball. No? Is the subject and the conjugated verb is gibt. And then we have the indirect object, dem Kind, it's in dative case. Heute, it's like a time information, and then we have the direct object at the end, den Ball. So that would be a typical main sentence structure. If you like to more about the main sentence structure, just check out my video. So, but let's see what changes for a sub-sentence structure. So, very, very important. Every sub-sentence needs a main sentence. No? It's impossible that a sub-sentence exists by himself. Okay, so it needs every time a main sentence. Let's take a really simple main sentence here. Alle sind hier. Everybody is here. Okay, so and now let's add a sub-sentence. We introduce the sub-sentence in this case with a conjunction. This conjunction here is weil. No? Because, no, weil. Remember to ask it's warum, why, and to answer this, weil, because. So normally we think, okay, let's take the same structure of the main sentence. But what happens here is that the conjugated verb, what normally in the main sentence in second place, goes all the way to the end. And therefore I call the conjunction weil a pusher, because it pushes the verb all the way to the end. Okay? And therefore the sentence reads like this. No? Alle sind hier, weil dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Okay? Sounds a little bit weird because it's actually what we say is because he, the kid, today the ball gives. No? It sounds a little bit like Yoda from Star Wars, but this is the German structure for sub-sentences. And there are other conjunctions. For example, sagt, he says, das, that. No? And here it would be the same thing. No? Sagt, dass dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. No? Das is also a pusher, like weil. Another pusher. Fragt, he asks, ob, no? If. Ob dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. Okay, ob, also a pusher. And then we have also alle sind hier, wenn. No? Wenn, when. No? Alle sind hier, wenn dem Kind heute den Ball gibt. No? Here we have four really important conjunctions. Weil, das, ob, and when. Okay, so I think that's quite clear. But let's see what happens if we have a second verb in the sentence. No? Let's see an example for a main sentence. For example, in past tense, hat dem Kind gestern den Ball gegeben. He has the kid yesterday the ball given. You see the second verb here is already at the last position. So let's see the change for a sub-sentence. So let's say alle waren hier, everybody was here, because we will have it in past tense. And the conjunction here is als, because remember we had wenn, and when we use for present tense and when we have the past tense for an action, it would be als. Okay? And here, no, as a rule for the subtense we said the conjugated verb goes to the end. So als also pushes the conjugated verb to the end. And the sentence reads as follows. Alle waren hier, als dem Kind gestern den Ball gegeben hat. No? Everybody was here when he, the kid, yesterday the ball given has. No? Sounds really weird, but in German it has to be this way. So remember, no, the conjugated verb is pushed to the end. The same thing happens when we have, for example, a modal verb, like will dem Kind heute den Ball geben. No, he wants. No, he wants. So here, sagt das, no, he says that, dem Kind heute den Ball geben will. Okay, here the same thing, will is pushed to the end of the sentence. Yeah, so that's a little bit the most important things to know about the subsentence structure. There are other types of subsentence, but this is a beginner course and I want to give you the most important information, okay, to really master the A2 level. So stay with these conjunctions and remember that we have subsentence structure in German. Yeah, thank you very much, and always remember grammar is optional and you should focus on listening, okay, and then talking, and I wish you a great day and I see you soon with my next video.